Now, I would like to understand from you before ACS, no? Before joining ACS, how was your life? So, what were the challenges that you were facing, and your overall life? How was it earlier?
Okay. So before joining ACS, I joined like late December. So at that
Mm,
time, I was going through a divorce. So it was a
mm,
bad phase for me in my life. I That was my lowest point of the time. But I was coping up with that problem with Reiki. So I do Reiki
mm,
myself. So I have
okay.
completed level 1, level 2, level 3, and Rajakiya
Mm,
Reiki. So I took help of that
mm,
I started it from August 2025. So from
mm,
that August to in 3 4 months, I was able to balance my mind, like emotions.
mm.
So
Right.
emotionally, and like I was not reacting. So I was
Mm.
stable. So when I joined
Okay.
ACS, mentally I was stable, but still here and
Mm,
there I was not so well. But I was
okay.
not conscious. That obviously that is. So
Mm,
and health wise, I was not okay. So because it affected my health, my mental health, my
mm,
financial health, everything.
mm,
Everything was I was in 4 pillars. I was low at all 4 pillars, but I was
right.
happy. Like
Mm,
not so affected, but I'm
mm,
happy. Uh,
mm,
in generally, I was like, how do I put it? Just having the internal problems, but showing I was okay with handling it.
mm,
I was handling it okay. My life
okay.
okay. Not so good, not so bad, but it was okay
Yeah.
before joining.
All right. So, okay. So now, help me understand what made you decide that ACS was the right place. How did you come to that decision?
Okay.
Because whenever we want to start a journey like this, initially we will have some self doubts whether we will be able to do it or not. But what made you choose ACS? What made you decide ACS?
Okay. So I come through know about ACS from the YouTube. So since
Mm,
I was going to like I was in that transition phase, so I was like searching all these spiritual things or it coming into my feed in generally. So I
yeah.
first few times I liked the video, like it spoke very, I felt it very logical, and it is helping to understand clearly. So some things I can relate. So it was good.
Right.
So after some time, I took uh, Arise membership. So
Mm,
that's for maybe from 2 3 weeks after that, or 1 month
mm,
in Dhanurmasa, I took Transcend membership, and I knew I wanted to take this. I wanted to go in this path. I want to take a higher membership. I knew that before, just it came as a gift, like in the Nurma side. So after that, my life has changed actually.
wow, beautiful. So, tell us more about that. After working with ACS, after coming into ACS, what all changed?
Okay. So I became more consistent after that. So earlier I was consistent in doing in Reiki the meditation, that I was mentally okay. So what changed after ACS was, it's like a in dark room you light on the lamp or a torch, like that. It happened like when you know the knowledge, then only you will come to know, like you will be conscious.
Yeah.
So knowledge thing happened to me, to be
Mm,
precise, to tell exactly. Because
mm,
earlier I was, first of all, now I'm able to understand what's going with me, like my
mm,
swabhava, my bhava. I'm understanding. Like it's easy to understand, and I can
right.
recognize it. So earlier, like I used to think what is happening, like that only I didn't know. So that swabhava thing, now I'm very much conscious, and the consistency, that
Mm,
is it increased, and
mm,
meditation went deeper. Now the most thing I'm happy about is I was very scared of unknown
mm,
uncertainty, because
right.
I was in that phase of my life.
Mm,
Future was very uncertain for me. Like
yeah.
thinking about me only, I used to cry a lot. I cried a lot. Like I came here and like this is a place now, everything is done, but still those days I gone through, it was very difficult phase. Like I used to cry. Um, Luckily, I surrounded with the good people. My
Yeah.
friends, my colleagues, my family supported me really well. But at the end of the day, I have to sleep alone, right?
Yes.
So that used to scare me. And
Mm,
like thinking about the future, like whom will I get married, like what will happen to me, that is crazy. So it
yes.
drives me
Yes.
crazy. One day I remember I cried like anything, like thinking about that. And uh, the calls, conscious calls and conclave calls and self mastery. That I'm very regular to the calls, because when you
Right.
watch the recorded session in like school, that is different.
Mm,
It's for knowledge, and you will
mm.
understand and you will forget it.
Yes.
But
Yes. Yes.
you have
Correct.
to come again and again to understand it.
Yes.
Here in
True.
calls, it is live, and the
Mm,
students are repeated so many times. Like I wrote a post about that. So after
right.
now, I'm able to understand what is infinitude and oneness. Earlier, I have no idea what is this is. So now
Mm,
I wrote a post like now I'm able to relate to it. So I'm feeling it. Earlier, no, what is
mm.
this? It's all was in theory. But after
Got
I'm proud of myself that I come to know about mix. I was consistent and sincere and dedicated to my work. I'm able
Mm.
to achieve this in fewer months, like just 4 months. Now it's March.
Yes.
4 months. I'm able to be in this good state. If I continue to like it's told it's a 3 years journey, so it's not a
Yes.
1 year
Yes.
journey, right?
True.
So
Right.
it will be more profound in coming days.
It's a lifetime journey, we would say. You know.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true. I have a
Yeah.
lifetime membership. That is good.
Yes.
But
Yeah, because each and every day is experience, and each and every day is a new learning for us, right?
yes, true.
Right. So hearing your story is wonderful, and I'm really happy for you because you've been in a very uh, struggling phase, right? And then at the right moment, you got this,
Yes.
and I'm really happy that this helped you.
Yeah.
And I also understand that for you, the weekly calls, you feel it was working well, right? So
Yes.
so that aspect of ACS offered you more help. You would
Hmm.
say like that. Okay,
Yes.
that's nice. All right. And I also want to understand that you have shifted a lot internally. I'm able to see that while you say things, your perspective towards things, and
Hmm.
all those kind of things internally, you have changed so much. So obviously, the external results, they will manifest accordingly. So I would like to understand from you, what were the specific outcomes which you achieved because of this, because of your alignment. You would have definitely achieved something, right? Some outcomes. So what were they?
One is my meditation got deeper, so I can just close my eyes and I will be in like a 5 dimensional. So like that, my since I am practicing for longer time, now it became intense meditation. One thing, and I'm able to understand the infiniteness and oneness.
Ah,
So that is working for me. Like in nature, if I go, like I will be happy and I write a post about it also. So
right.
I felt oneness in everything. Like that the day, very recently, I felt that. So it was very amazing, like to feel that way. Like I was radiating love towards all. And in nature, I connected to myself within me. Like when I meditate there, it's another different level. So like ACS commented that like whatever you are reflecting, it's a mirror. Whatever you are feeling inside, it is reflecting through the nature.
Outside, yeah. Mm.
And I find okay, that's that's nice. So to feel that way, like when I close my eyes and sit for meditation, now now I'm able to feel and relate. Like I am the infinite abundance. I am infinite. Like I am everything. I am everyone is one. Even the animals, elephant, nature, people. Now I'm understanding that, and
Yes.
in my like behavior also, I became a little bit more humble and kind, like in words. Like earlier,
Mm.
I'm little bit like my aggression is also solved a little bit. most of the like.
Okay. Oh, that's a great achievement.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
feel that your anger has also reduced?
Yes, 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 yes. But
Beautiful.
actually, my few of my customers, like they complimented me, like the way that I explain to them and guide them and help them. In the, like they're like, you are very sweet. That I really appreciate that the change, and my family also. They also know the
Wonderful.
change.
Mm. And you were able to achieve this in a very short period of time,
Yes,
right?
yes. I'm only wondering. I am like I wonder like how this happened.
Mm. Understood. Wonderful, wonderful. So I just want to know this as well. If a person, he or she is in a position where you were earlier,
Hmm.
right now, and they are trying to decide whether to take up ACS or not. They're trying to decide, whether to take up this. What would you say to them, or what would you recommend them?
So this is
Mm-hmm.
very helpful. What ACS brings is structure in your life. You will
Understood.
definitely reach somewhere if you join ACS. This is
Mm.
joining ACS is like life changing. It
Mm.
is no doubt in that. Even I suggest everyone to come to ACS and be conscious. So being conscious, it helped me like anything. Like now, I'm conscious, right? I able to
Mm.
understand what are my mistakes. Okay, now if I earlier like my old Baba, my old identity,
Mm.
I identify it like no, this is wrong. I stop there and I redirect myself, go in a right path.
Mm.
I have that conscious,
Awareness. Yeah, you are aware now. Yeah.
aware, and it's stopping me to do mistake a lot of mistakes. Like this
Mm.
is crazy. I was like when I look my past, I was like I was crazy. This is crazy. If I don't have the conscious and awareness, I would have not done that. But I
Yeah.
forgive myself
It's a
for that.
lesson. It's a lesson. No? We
Yeah,
all evolve. We
yeah.
all evolve.
For that lesson
It's
doesn't
your
come
evolution.
like free, right? It comes with a cost. Everything comes with a cost.
Yes.
Nothing is free. So those lessons are hard lessons, and you
Yeah.
have to do something for that to learn that lesson.
Yes. Yes.
And it
If
was
life was smooth, you wouldn't have learned certain
yeah.
things. No?
Yes, yes, yes. That's very much true.
Yeah. Yeah, that's very true. All right. And if you want to describe ACS in one word,
Hmm.
what would that be? And if you want, you can take your time.
Transformation.
Beautiful.
Recently, I told you, right? I've used to fear of unknown. So now
Yeah.
I'm currently thinking to change my career. This is crazy, actually. Now I work in LIC. It's a government job. So I have
Yeah.
been working here from past 6 years.
Mm.
Now I'm 29 and a half years. Now when I look into my life, like IKEA, like I last week and last week, sir spoke about in call IKEA about IKEA. There I understood that my mind and my body is not aligned to my purpose, like where I'm working. I'm not
Mm.
aligned because all those years, like I love my job actually.
Mm.
Maybe
Mm.
I mentally I love my job, but by heart I'm not loving it.
Actually, you don't. Okay. Mm.
This I didn't understand for longer time. It
Mm.
like 6 years. Like my family used to say me, my friends, everybody told me, like, why are you doing this? Like
Mm.
I love this job. This is suits my personality. I do things. I go out. Like I achieve, but I'm not successful. I'm not surviving. That I'm not liking the feeling I have and the structure with my career,
Mm.
the future
Right.
like here. But I'm earning good money. But
Mm.
I felt like ultimately money is not everything. It is like I can earn the same amount of double of amount if I'm peaceful and have a free of mind. Right? If I be here, it is very going to be difficult. This I understood very late. But that IKEA call made me to think my alignment. Right? I was like telling my mind and my body like, no, I love this job. I will do this. I will do that. But when I was doing that, but I'm not enjoying it. I was exhausted. I was doing that. Like it felt like I don't know. But
Yeah.
now I'm okay. This is not what you are doing. Like I want to become a forest officer. Today only I joined the coaching class and when they took my first step there. So to at this stage, like preparing for a new exam, I don't know anything about that. It's a state government exam, but I'm in like central government. So it's
So is
very
it UPSC you're writing?
no, it's a KPSC thing like range forester, RFO,
Okay.
range
You
for.
can't transfer internally, like you cannot
No,
apply for
it is
jobs and
different. That is
transfer.
different.
Okay.
Totally different, different portfolio. So my sister, my brother-in-law works in forest department. Recently, I went to Cook. There in nature, I spent my time. Okay, I was like happy, like I was posting there also. I hugged the elephant. I was totally in the nature. So in while sitting in the forest, I wrote like how I'm feeling, what I'm doing. I'm aligned to my job or something. He suggested me, my brother-in-law, like in few months later, the our notification will be out. You can do this job. So he told me like when I it stuck me, like when you're like nature will help and God will help to understand
Yes.
what it is. Like some I feel it's a coincidence or connectivity something when he
True.
told me like I was like never thought of my changing my job because I'm very secure like very good it's a government job, right? I'm a very secure place, so I never thought of it like changing my career. So
Mm.
like I saw the job, it's always in the nature. My health will be good, I can earn money, and I will be peaceful, what I want in my life.
Beautiful. So once you join the forest officer, please do let us know.
Definitely, I'll be
Yeah.
posted in ACS. You can
Yeah,
come
yeah,
to
please
the
do.
forest. Please come for a
Yeah.
retreat here. I will do retreat.
Yeah. Oh wow, nice.
I will
Okay.
have my own ACS group there. Like come and visit from the Bangalore, Karnataka, all over
Yeah.
Karnataka. Come visit there.
Wonderful. Yeah, yeah. We'll do that. We'll do that. And I truly wish you the best in life.
I
And
thank you.
you know, you'll definitely make it.